Hi, Vinay.
Hi, ma'am.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon.
Yeah. Good
I'm
afternoon, Vinay.
fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. What about you?
Okay. I'm good, Vinay. Okay, this
Okay.
is Aruna from Quality Department, Vinay. I just want to
Yeah.
take a feedback interview from your side. Before
Okay.
starting that, first of all, congrats for your placements, Vinay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, Vinay, about your earlier studies and hometown?
Yeah, sure. My name is Vinay, and I'm actually from Ballari. And I did my graduation from Ballari only, that is from Ballari Institute of Technology and Management. I graduated in the year 2019. And then I started preparing for competitive examinations. Some of the stages I cleared, and the next upcoming stages were taking a lot of time. The processing was very late, so that's why I felt that I was lacking some practical, industrial experience and everything. So that's why I came to Bangalore. So this is where I'm right now.
Okay. So, how did you get to know about CMTI, Vinay?
Uh, so During I think last year I started to do some research on civil engineering training institutes, and from there I got to know about CMTI, and so this is where I am.
Okay. Then what and all you learned in CMTI, Vinay, apart from your syllabus? What was new thing, like especially you learned in CMTI?
Yeah, apart from the syllabus, I would say I got to know about time management, how to manage ourselves in various other activities, and how to work as a team, and to get involved in different works, and as well as in different projects, to take the responsibility and the initiative. And These are all the other areas which I understood, I learned.
Okay. So how was your site visits and all, Vinay? So whether the site visits were
Uh,
interior or construction, both.
I have actually visited both interiors and as well as the construction sites, and so in both fields, the exposure was really good. There were actually a lot of new different things which I actually didn't know before, that I got to know after visiting the site, and so I have learned a lot of things from the site visits, from the practical point of view, and from the construction point of view as well.
Okay. Then, so how was the trainer's approach, Vinay? So whether they were clearing your doubts, like how
Obviously,
was their approach?
they were actually so they used to care about us. So if we had any doubts, they used to spend their valuable time with us, and they used to clear our doubts. And they were actually good. I don't have any issues with any of those terms.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you, Vinay?
That was actually good. So whichever classes that I missed, I could access some of those classes from the app, and so it was a relief for me. So whichever classes that I couldn't attend, that was there for me to help me out.
Okay. Yeah, Vinay. Actually, you have attended the career development of Ashok sir, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. How was the session of that? So, how was the like? What are the guidance given by our CEO founder? So that so I need the feedback from that.
Yeah, so they differentiated between each and every single aspect in civil engineering, their growth in the future, their scope, and so how we must have to, survive in those careers if we want to step in, those works. And so that really helped me to choose which branch that I really want to get in. So it was a good thing. It really helped me out.
Okay, now you're cleared whether you're like what you don't have any doubts. You're clear to what way you have to go.
Yeah, I'm clear in my mind.
Okay. Yeah, Vinay. Then how was your interview process? How did you crack the interview, Vinay?
So this interview process actually went for two rounds. The first round was they gave us a test on quantity surveying and bar bending schedule, and also on planning of the activities starting from the base point to the end of the project. So, and that I cleared the first stage, and also the second stage was the interview. And professionalism that was showed in the interview was really uh, up to the mark, and it was on high level. And so I got to learn about those things as well. And so finally, I cleared the interview.
Okay. So what about CMTA staffs, Vinay? How was their coordination, the entire process, whether the placements or admissions or the courses, class coordinator? How was their feedback? Like how was their coordination all over the courses?
Yeah, so their coordination was also good. They actually helped me out in whenever I had any problems related to notes or classes or scheduling of classes. Sometimes timings was not really confirmed, so in those areas as well, they helped me out in giving me a clear direction. So they were also really good.
Okay. Yeah, Vinay. Actually, so what was your thought process? So they'll like everyone says, if you go then join there, like they'll help you, the career will be good or some other thing. So what was your thought process that choose CMTI?
My thought process was pretty straightforward. I did my research, whatever I even inquired my friends and as well as my seniors. And so everybody's path was totally different. And I wanted to choose my own path. So that's why I gave it a shot and I came to CMTI. So far, I think I've taken the right decision. That's what I'm feeling
Okay.
because I've been placed here. So.
Okay. Yeah. Then how was your experience in CMTI, Vinay? Did you gain your experience?
Yeah, so the experience was also really good. I mean, before I came to CMTI, I was lacking confidence in myself, and I didn't really had so much of technical skills and also knowledge. And so here they have trained us in as per the industrial standards. And so now, though I'm not perfect in everything, but still I know some of the technical skills that I really want in my future career to survive.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I, so I would say that the course is actually good, and they'll actually teach you the as per the industrial standards what is required. They'll train you in that. So I would tell them the same thing what I researched on this one.
Okay. Yeah, Vinay. Thanks. That was a good feedback from your side. And
Yeah.
once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you, Vinay.
Thank you so much.